In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you why and how you can loop your video in Capcut PC. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to the channel, drop this video a like. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first step is once you have your video loaded onto Capcut PC timeline, you want to find the video or the portion of the clip that you would like to reverse. In this case, I'm clicking the video, so it highlights the portion of the video or the selected clip on Capcut PC. And I'm extending this to the right, and this is the part or the red line to reverse. So click a B on your keyboard for the razor tool and click, and it adds a cut. And then with this portion of this selected or highlighted, make sure it is highlighted with the part of the video that you want to reverse. I'm actually going to go a little bit further and add another cut, and then click on the portion of this video and click delete. And this is the portion where I'd like to reverse the video. I'm going to click Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. So now it added a video to the second layer, as it's still while selected or highlighted. Now all you need to do is to reverse the video, to go under right here and click reverse. So this is what this looks like. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.